You have certainly seen the Paris packing list: trench coat, belly flats, French girl aesthetic. And then when you arrive, it's actually 9 degrees and raining, and none of it makes any sense. So most guides treat packing as a checklist, but today we're doing something different: the actual philosophy behind dressing for Paris in April. And before we go into it, as a travel advisor, Paris is one of my specialties, and if you are planning a trip and want it done properly, the right hotels, the right neighborhoods, the right itinerary for the way you actually travel, I would love to help. I will leave you guys link in bio. Do not hesitate to get in touch. So April in Paris swings from 8 degrees in the morning to 18 degrees by afternoon, and sometimes on the same day. It rains in short bursts, and the sun appears and disappears without apology. So it's time to stop thinking in outfits and actually start thinking in systems, and specifically a 3-layer system that flexes across the whole day. So there are 3 layers: base, that could be a thin merino or cotton knit; middle layer, and it's actually the piece everyone forgets. That could be a cardigan or a lightweight blazer that you can remove at noon, and it has to look deliberate on its own. And then we have the outer layer, and here is the key insight from Dressarte Paris article that I really like. You should bring the coat you already know, and not the one you think Paris requires. So Paris is 15,000 steps a day on cobblestones, wet cobblestones. The shoes you really need is the pair that has already slightly worn in: a loafer, belly flap, or low ankle boot. Sneakers work well, plain white, neutral, no branding. I would really advise to leave your heels at home, to be completely honest. So Paris has a palette: cream, camel, navy, olive. And one thing I hadn't thought about before reading the Dressarte Paris guide is that it's actually better to avoid brilliant white in April because the light isn't strong enough yet. So cream and ivory work much better. Brilliant white reads as aggressively as new against a city built on beautiful patina. And here where it gets practical. The philosophy is clear, but the hot part is standing in front of your wardrobe and knowing which pieces actually apply. So, before I travel anywhere, I actually love using the TrueSelfStylist app. I absolutely love the style archetype analysis, so that means that all the outfits that I will create in the app will beautifully resonate with my true self, and which is something I haven't seen in other styling apps, and I particularly like it. And then I love creating the outfit combinations from the pieces I already own, so it's not a shopping list, it's the outfits built from the pieces already in my wardrobe. Another thing I never miss is that I always preview combinations before I pack. So I test drive my wardrobe at home, and I know that will actually work before I even zip the bag. The app is available on App Store and Google Play, and I will leave you links to it. Paris evenings aren't formal, they are actually elevated. And here is the formula here. Take what you wore during the day and make one change. Knit can become a silk blouse, denim becomes struck trousers, one piece of jewelry, same coat, same scarf. Fewer things chosen carefully will serve you far better in Paris than a suitcase full of options. And if you're ready to actually plan the trip, I'm here, your travel advisor. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, this means a lot to me. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!